Just doing a real quick video on some quick lunch ideas. As always, I like to do a main course, a vegetable and a fruit, and a snack or a treat or whatever. So basically, the three things I always like to have is a main course, vegetable, and a fruit. So this is just ideas. You can always have more or less. This one is kind of for the adults. If you have a little one who can actually eat a whole burrito, by all means, teenagers, give it to them, or younger. Go ahead and give it to them. It's just based off of just ideas. But this right here is, I have an almond butter here, granola nut bar. That's going to be the treat. We have 2 bags of carrots in there. I always do 4 baby carrots per bag, so there's 8 of them in here. If you have little ones, whoever can eat the least amount they'll eat, or the most that they'll eat, bag that up. And then everyone else could just grab more. For example, we got 2 packs here. And then we have an apple here. It's not too big of an apple. I really like getting the small ones because the little ones can eat a whole one. So a whole apple. And then here, this is actually a sauteed pork sandwich. Sauteed pork with onions, bell peppers, and celery. And then I layered it with brown rice. And then I put the pork mixture over it. And then I put, so actually I did the brown rice, some shredded cheese, and you can use whatever cheese you want to use, and then I smothered it with the pork mixture, which was the pork, bell peppers, onions, and celery. So, and then I just went ahead and seasoned it with garlic pepper, and onions, but you can make it however you want to, just a quick idea. This is not to show you how to make it, but just ideas of what you can be able to make for lunch. So, and I also put a mild packet on there just in case if they want to have, they like the mild sauce. You can put hot sauce in it or none. It doesn't matter. It's just whatever. This is just quick ideas. You can add or take away whatever you want. Just some ideas. Like, for example, you could actually put some lettuce in there if you wanted to, too. Make it more healthier. So anyway, these are just some quick ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and God bless.